What's good is Gino Customs update on the 2005 Honda Accord. We got it home in the garage. Don't know how, transmission slipped the whole time. Turned it off, turned it back on. Trying to get it here. Turn on that light, please. Thank you, appreciate it. So we got it here. We're gonna do some transmission work. There's 3 rings inside the solenoid pack, so we're gonna go ahead and either change them out or just clean them out to unclog them and see if that helps to keep pressure, keeps them from slipping. Drain the transmission oil, put some new transmission oil in it, and new transmission filter. Right now, we bought a transmission bottle of fluid, so that way we could get it here. It costs like $6.99. So right now we're at $356.99 on this Honda Accord.